In today's video, I'm just about to reveal to you a strategy on how you can make passive income online with CPA marketing. And this is a brand new strategy which a lot of people will not reveal to you right here, because we're actually going to be using two cool and amazing platforms right now, which is actually the Pinterest right here and also TikTok right here to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So make sure you do watch this video to the end, stick on, and actually utilize this strategy to start making passive income. But before we do jump right into this video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, why not just simply go on to smashing the subscribe button, because I actually create videos about CPA marketing and how to make money online, and I create videos each and every single day. So you want to make sure you are subscribed to this channel and make sure your post notification bell is turned on all, so that I do alert you whenever I do go on to creating such cool and amazing videos. So with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first things first, you want to head on to this platform right here, which is called the trends.pinterest.com. And if you do head on to trends.pinterest.com, you'll actually find out what is actually trending right now in the United States. As you can see right here, this is actually what trends right now in the United States. And why is it actually important that you do check what trends in the United States on Pinterest is because the United States right here is about Pinterest's most visited country right there. And you can see right here, the United States do constitute about 40% of Pinterest traffic, and Pinterest do get about 1 billion visits every single month. So United States right now actually takes up 40% of that 1 billion visits, which is why guys, you want to just simply go on to focusing more on the United States when talking about Pinterest. And if you do go to checking out the trends.pinterest.com, you'll find out what is actually trending right now in the United States. And you'll find out that this particular topic right now is what trends the most, which are actually Barbie outfits. And guys, this topic actually trends the most. You can just simply go to checking out about that topic right here on TikTok. If you do go on to TikTok and search for the Barbie outfit right here, you'll be able to see some cool and amazing videos about Barbie outfits. So the strategy which we're going to be using right now is what is going to help you utilize this particular trending topic to make money with CPA marketing. And you can actually use any CPA marketing platform out there. You could use the CPA Grip, the CPA Build, or any other CPA marketing platform out there. And guys, if you do go onto those CPA marketing platform, you just want to go on to searching for gift card. And if I do search for gift card right here on CPA Build, you'll be able to see gift card related offers, and you can see right now that these gift cards are actually related to the United States. These two right now, you can see this one is for a $500 Walmart gift card. And guys, if you do go on to clicking on that guys, you'll be able to see more details about this particular offer. And you can actually see that this offer right now guys is for a $500 Walmart gift card. If you do complete this offer, for every successful lead you do get paid $2.12 right here. So you could just simply take that to your advantage right now and go on to using this particular strategy to promote such offers. And how do you promote this offer right now? You just want to go on to maybe this particular TikTok trend right now about this Barbie right now. If I do go on to selecting one of this video right here, I'm just going to pause in this video right now. So once I pause in this video right now, I'm just going to go on to maybe I'm screenshotting this particular section. So right now guys, I'm just going to use my sniping tool and I'm just going to pick out this section right here. If I do go on to picking out this section right now guys, I'm just going to leave this section as it is and screenshot that particular section. So guys, you can see the image right here. I'm just going to go on to saving this image on my device right now. So once that image has actually been saved on my device, I'm just going to close this section right now and actually move on to the next phase. And the next phase will be to go on to creating a landing page right here using this platform called the breezy.io, or you could just simply use any other landing page creator site out there. And to create such landing page right now guys, you just want to just simply go on to sign up to your account. I'm just going to come right here, click on new project, click on create right here, and if I do click on this right now, you can see the new project has actually been created. I'm just going to click on edit project. And you can see that it's actually loading through, and once this loads through, I'm just going to be taken to a section where I can go on to selecting a template right now. If I do click on this plus icon, I can actually see a lot of templates which I can just simply make use of. And guys, you want to just simply go on to selecting a template that actually has a video right there. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go on to selecting this template right now. If I just select this template right here, I can just simply go on to editing this. If I click on this right now, I'm just going to go on to clicking on this video icon right here. And right now guys, you can see the section which says YouTube. I'm going to click that and just simply select the URL. And for this section which has the URL link, I'm just going to go back to TikTok and copy the URL link to this particular video right now. I'm just going to click on copy link, and the link has actually been copied. Head back to my landing page site and actually do go on to paste in that particular link right here. So once I do paste in that link right now guys, I'm just going to leave this page as it is. So once you do this guys, you just want to come right here, click on that play icon, and you want to just simply come right now to click on player. And if you do click on player guys, you want to just simply go on to uploading that particular screenshot which you did take right there for that particular image. So if I do go on to uploading that screenshot right now, as you can see, this is actually the screenshot and this is how it's going to look like. I could just simply go on to editing this section based on my preference right now. So if they do actually go on to clicking on this play icon, it's actually going to go on to playing this particular video. So right now guys, you just want to add in a cool call to action for a CPA marketing offer such as this. Sign up to win a $500 gift card right now, and you could just simply go on to maybe put in a button right here, or just a simple form right now. And I'm just going to go on to using a button. I'm just going to come right here, delete this section, and just simply go on to adding a button by clicking on this plus icon and search for the button. If I do click on button right now, I'm just going to drag this to this particular section and just put in something like claim gift card now. And once I do highlight that, I'm going to go on to increasing the font size right now. And you can see right there, I could just simply increase the font size to something such as this right now. So once I actually do this right here guys, I'm just going to go on to publishing this particular page right here. And you can see right now the page has been published. I'm going to go back to my home page or my dashboard right here of my account right now. And if I do that, I'm just going to go on to clicking on this link icon, go on to selecting a subdomain right now, and do go on to selecting a cool domain. So if I do select the Barbie outfits one right now and I click on submit, you can see this is actually acceptable right now. I could just simply go on to copy the link to this particular landing page and actually do try as much as possible to drive traffic to this landing page. And once you do this guys, you want to just simply go on to the next step, which is to head on to canva.com. And while on canva.com, you want to just simply go on to this section, click on custom design, and you want to just simply go on to selecting the 1000 by 1500. And if I do select that right now, I'm just going to go on to clicking on create design. If I do that right now guys, what you want to do is to go on to the upload section and actually upload that Barbie image which you actually did screenshot. And this is the image right here. If I do go on to uploading that particular image, you can see right now the image is going through the uploading phase. I'm just going to drag it right here and insert into this page. So what you want to do right now is to just simply add in a cool text right here. Go onto the text section, add in a header text, and add in something like the viral Barbie outfit. And if you do add in something such as this guys, you can see there's already a play icon on this video. If there is not play icon, you can just simply go into the element section and just simply type in or search for the play button. And if you do search for play button right now, you'll be able to see a lot of cool play buttons, and you just want to drag one right in here and fix in this particular section. You could also make that a little bit bigger right now. And once you actually do this right now guys, you could just simply go on to clicking on share to actually go on to downloading this image right now. If I do go on to downloading this image on my device, the next step right now will be to go on to maybe creating a content locker. And you could use any CPA marketing platform. You could use the CPA Grip, the CPA Build to do that. And if I do go on to monetization tool, I'm going to simply click on URL file lockers, go on to creating a new content locker, agree to the terms of services right here, and do click on continue. And right there in the locked URL, you just want to put in something like google.com, or you could just simply remove the redirect URL section if you're actually using platforms like the OG ad. And once you do go on to creating your content locker right now, so as you can see, my content locker has been created. I'm just going to go on to getting the link to this content locker, copy the link, and you want to just simply make sure you head back to this particular section, go on to editing this particular landing page which we created earlier on, and you want to make sure you do tie that particular button right here to that particular content locker. And if you do tie that button to the content locker, highlight the button, click on this link icon and paste in your content locker link right here. Then you could then just simply go on to clicking on save right now, or update that right now, and you could then just simply copy the link to this content locker and actually go on to promoting that, or this particular landing page to promote that. And if you want to promote that, head on to Pinterest right here. So if I do go onto Pinterest, I'm just going to come right here, click on create, and I'm going to go simply create a pin. And right now guys, I'm just going to go on to adding that particular image in this section, which I did create. And this is the image right here, which is the viral Barbie outfit. And you could just simply put that in right here, put in a cool title to this offer, put in a description, and right here in the destination link, that's where you're going to put in the link to your content locker or your landing page, which you actually created right here on the breezy.io. So once you do fix that right in here and publish that on this particular platform, make sure you also create a board right here for the Barbie outfit. And if you do that guys, since a lot of people are actually interested in this particular topic right here in the United States, that's actually going to help you build your traffic right now to that particular link. And if you do that right here, you'll be able to start getting some cool affiliate commission to your CPA marketing offers right here on any CPA marketing platform right now. So this is an amazing strategy which you could even take advantage as a beginner and start using to make some passive income online. So I hope this video did help you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.